1 kilogram chicken thighs. To skinning. Sixth, discard the skins. Too much saturated fat. 2 tablespoons distilled vinegar. Washing thighs thoroughly. Sift to catch meat remnants. Repeat. One and a half tablespoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 2 teaspoons Old Bay seasoning. Black pepper. 1 teaspoon mustard. 1 tablespoon soya sauce. 1 tablespoon mild olive oil. Grate evenly. Marinate for 30 minutes.